Well, 6 people are now dead from the novel coronavirus in Washington state. An official in Snohomish County say that a patient died there. Other deaths have already been reported in Seattle and King County. The number of people infected with coronavirus in the U.S. has now passed 100. Florida and Washington are under state of emergency declarations as well. New York now has its first case, too.
And while concerns over COVID-19 spread stateside, schools here in West Michigan are also getting ready.
Fox 17's Michael Martin spoke to one superintendent who tells us they already have protocols in place to discourage the spread of coronavirus. Michael?
Yeah, Annie Doug, superintendent of Rockford Schools, Michael Scheibler, says he wants to do everything in the district's power to avoid students and staff getting sick. Unfortunately, though, at this point in time, there's really no silver bullet to keep everyone from getting sick, but he is working to make sure that everyone stays informed and everything inside the district's buildings are as clean as possible.
The last thing we're going to do is panic.
Dr. Michael Scheibler, superintendent of Rockford Schools, is trying to make sure the district is prepared for the COVID-19 outbreak.
Today I sent out a blast email to all families and all staff, basically telling them here's what we're doing, and we'll be consistent about that.
With 8,000 students and 1,000 staff members in the district, Dr. Scheibler is taking all precautions recommended by local health officials.
Venues like a school, like any sort of large gathering place, are places that could be linked to more transmission if and when we start seeing cases locally.
But in the midst of a virus health officials don't yet fully understand, there are no easy answers.
We don't have enough tests. We don't have a therapy at this time, and we don't have a vaccine at this time. So in the meantime, what we need to do is put into practice the things that we know work so well at controlling the spread of other respiratory viruses.
And so Rockford is reminding students and staff to practice good hygiene, wash your hands, also taking precautions inside district buildings.
Our custodians are working to disinfect areas like doorknobs, bathrooms, classroom desks.
And in classrooms or sections of buildings seeing high illness rates.
And they're called 360 Clorox machines. And it's a new technology. And we have several of these that are available that literally put out a spray, a mist. And they will literally not only cover, let's say, the tops of desks, but the bottoms of desks as well.
It's critically important that we're keeping clean all those common touch points. The door handles, the counters, the laptops, the phones, all of those things that we're touching.
So the Kent County Health Department continues to monitor, at this point, 7 people because of their recent travel history. They told me this afternoon that none of those people have shown any concerning symptoms. Health Department is just tasked with checking in with them on a daily basis until they get through a 14-day window of time without showing any of those symptoms. For the latest info on this COVID-19 virus, head to fox17online.com. For now, though, live in the newsroom, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.
All right, Michael, thank you.